Break ID number 3765. 2018 Origins Football 1-box break. Alphabetical list. That Spectra is gone. And go. So that just leaves the fourth one that's up there. There you go. We are stingy with the free spots and bonies so far. I saw that, Chad. I wanted to go. Couldn't make it. Did you? Where is that, Jason? Speaking of Jason, there's Jason W. Jason Witten. Tyreek Hill. Earl Thomas to 175. Clay Matthews to 299. And Kerryon Johnson. Detroit. Detroit. Keith, see you. Remind me if it's in hey Keith. And rookie patch auto MVS. Green Bay. Jared Y.E. And not bad, jumbo jersey, Lamar Jackson. Baltimore. Keith, see you. Looky. Oh, the Shriners one is the one that I like. I was there last year. I really like that one. I'll remember that one.